Don't worry, I'm coming. Hello, my magical. I forgot the screen. I'm coming. Hello, my magical. Yes, now I can see myself. Hello, my magical, beautiful beings. My name is Alfred Mystic. Welcome. No makeup, no full experience, full fantasy, but I think nature is what we need. Exactly. We are having golden pothos. This is poison ivy. I got it from Facebook. Excuse me, Facebook market for 20 pounds. I know, I'm so lucky. Oh my god, I didn't expect it to be this big. So this is a tutorial on how to decorate your room with beautiful ivy. Let's go. Wanna see it? I wanna do it also. And I'm gonna drink my tea, I'm gonna enjoy, I'm gonna just put the music on the background. And let's see what we can do with this magical plant. I have these things. Where are they? These things from Amazon. Clippers? I don't know. To stick them to the wall and they will hold the branches so it can go freely all around this space. This is my sacred magical space where I write, where I do everything my spiritual, everything my mystical, everything that is discovery, self-discovery. This is my place, and poison ivy can be deadly, but also it can be a cure. It's a journey of personal healing and transformation. Let's go, beautiful ivy. I am ready. I'm cutting those pieces that were added to this one. They just go with the layers all around. They will be so long. There is still one left, this one. And I see many spiders and I'm loving it because this is the world for them to thrive, to enjoy and live their life. I'm talking about these pieces. It's gonna fall now. Okay, I expected it to be worse, but it's okay. This is so interesting. I feel like an explorer or, I don't know, biologist. Wow. Okay, one is done. This smallest one. And look how long it is. Look how long it is. So I decided to take them and just hold in my hand so it's easier. Now I can see which one is going where. The biggest branches are rooted already, so I'm not going to cut them or something. I want you to be free in this house. So I think I will just take this piece, for example, and just look at the leaf. Wow. Yeah, I think I will take the nails because they are so heavy and I don't think that those stickers will hold them. So I will take big nail, I will hammer it into the wall so it holds, and maybe then I will use the stickers. What a genius plan! Wow. What comes next exactly?
Marvelous.
Marvelous. Thank you! I know! Poison ivy! I'm so poisonous, look at me. You are hugging, I feel. What do you know? Okay, I need to finish this. It's not an easy job. It looks maybe easy, but it's not. This is new rook in action. This is for TikTok, Instagram. This is for YouTube. Hello. Okay, I'm doing everything. But look at the art. Look at the art. I think we are done. What do you think? This ivy is supposed to be with me. Now look how beautiful you are now. I'm gonna draw here. You will see, you will see. But wow, and I love this part. It gives me Celtic fantasy. Oh, I'm in love. Thank you so much for being here with me. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the ivy? Do you have ivy in your house? Do you have it in your garden? And I'll see you, my beautiful magical beings, in my next video. Sending you all my love. Mwah, I love you. And the poison ivy loves you as well. It's a cure. I feel cured, I feel healed. Thank you.